In the heart of Babylon, a decree was passed by King Nebuchadnezzar commanding all to worship a massive golden statue. 3 young Hebrew men, Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego, refused to bow, holding firm to their faith. Furious, the king ordered them to be thrown into a fiery furnace, heated 7 times hotter than usual. Bound and helpless, they were cast into the inferno. As the flames roared around them, an astonishing sight unfolded. The king's men saw 4 figures walking amidst the blaze unscathed. The 4th appeared like a divine being. Nebuchadnezzar, bewildered, called them out. As Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego emerged, not a hair on their heads was singed, and they didn't even smell of smoke. Nebuchadnezzar acknowledged the power of their God, issuing a new decree praising him. The miracle in the heart of the fire not only saved the brave trio but also turned the heart of a king, leaving a legacy of unwavering faith and divine intervention.